Welcome to our guide on fixing Facebook downloading problems. Let's troubleshoot together with these steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Attempt the download again once the connection is secure. Next, clear the cache and data of the Facebook app. Navigate to your phone's settings, locate the Facebook app, and clear its cache and data. Then, retry the download. Ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Updating the app can often resolve download issues, so make sure you are running the most recent version. If the problem persists, try restarting your device. A quick restart can help eliminate any temporary glitches that may be causing the downloading problems. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve any issues you may encounter when downloading content from Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we hope this updated guide assists you in overcoming Facebook downloading problems. Simplify the process and enjoy a seamless downloading experience by following these straightforward instructions.